How to remove the rear seat Chevrolet Sonic 2012 to 2020. Use a long solid object for leverage, as the seat is very hard to remove with just your hands. Lever the seat up with the sharp tack on each side. It's held in place only by two front clips on this specific model.